In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear sway bar links on this Volkswagen TDI Jetta Wagon. These are going to be located behind the rear wheels. Let's get into it. In the back, we're going to pull this cover up. And then there's a cover underneath here. You want to pull that up as well. And you want to find the tool kit that comes with your vehicle for the spare tire. And you're looking for this hook or a hook that looks very similar to that. Grab that. Now we're going to take the caps off, use the tool, just go in the center, pull the cap off. Using a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. Before I take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel from falling. Grab the wheel, pull it off. I'm going to take this nut off, use a 16mm wrench, loosen this up. And the stud in the center is going to spin. To prevent that from spinning, you're going to use a triple square socket. This is a M6. Just put it on a ratchet. It's going to hold that from spinning. Just loosen the nut up. If you can't use the socket in the center holding the stud, you can use some locking pliers on the back side of it. Then use a impact. Just take the nut off that way. That works as well. Now I'm going to take the link off at the base. For the base, I'm just going to use the locking pliers on the back side to prevent the stud from spinning, and then 16mm socket. Take the nut off. There we go. And take a hammer, just give this a tap. This piece comes right out. And pull the link out. Now take the link, slide that through. Take the bolt, goes through the back. Just like that. Pull the sway bar down a little bit. Put the nuts on, one right here, and one on the other side. Using a 13mm wrench on the bolt, 15mm socket on the nut. Snug that down. I'm going to torque this to 33 foot-pounds. That's good. Take a 15mm wrench. If you have a ratchet wrench, that would help. Then you're going to use a 6mm hex socket to prevent the stud from spinning. Tighten this down. Now I'm going to use a 15mm crow's foot, and I can still hold the stud from spinning with the 6mm hex and torque this to 33 foot-pounds. Good. I'll take the wheel, get that lined up with the holes. Take one of the lug bolts, get that started. Snug that down. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 89 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. good. Take the caps, get those lined up, and push those in place. After you're done, you want to put the hook back, go back to your spare tire, find the toolkit, and install it in the toolkit.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.